Hi everyone, it's Evie with another acrylic pour. Okay, so continuing on with the colors that I've been using. So right now I'm going to do a tree ring pour. So first let's cover the canvas with some background paint. So hopefully I'll use all of my mixed paints. So this paint is gold and white. So I mixed in some gold with some white and it created this kind of creamy color, which I kind of like. Looks a little luminescent, which is good. Let's get the sides all covered. Okay, this looks good. Corners and sides covered, check. Excellent. Now I'm using the same cup that I used the last two times. So let's get some paint in the cups. Let's start with, you know what? Let's start with some gold. I like gold. Maybe we'll end with gold. There's some gold in the cup. And then let's put in some of this creamy colored. This one has Floetrol in it and it also has a drop of other paint in it. By accident. Okay, let's do my orange. I mixed up another batch of orange. Now the brown. And I mixed up another batch of this Caribbean is what it's called. And it's apple something brand. It's the only apple, let's see, Apple Barrel brand. Okay. And they all have some silicone in them. Okay, let's keep layering. What's next? Oh, of course, gold. I'll slowly put the gold in. Okay. Now back to layering. What did I have at the bottom? Oh, I had gold at the bottom, so now a little bit more of this. I don't like that cream color too much. Only as background I want it. Okay, so I'm spilling paint on the canvas. A little bit of brown. What did I say this was going to be? This was going to be a tree ring pour, right? Okay. A lot of brown. Okay. Use up my brown. Now we have this blue color, turquoisey color. So if I don't want to cover all of my canvas, if I want to leave some empty space, I should probably stop putting paint in here. So this is the paint. Do we want to end with gold? Let's end with some gold. Just because I love gold. Okay, so let's get my technique correctly. So I need to pour slowly, which is not a strength of mine, and in a circular motion. We'll start in the center. Okay, it's not working already. Let's see. I think my angle is off. Okay, I think I have too much paint in here. Something is wrong because I'm not able to pour slowly. And in a circular motion. It's not working. I'm not doing it right. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I think I just had too much paint in there. Here we go, slowly and in a circular motion. And it's working. I don't have much blue in here, or the blue has mixed in. I'm at the very bottom. That's a little bit of blue. Okay. This is good. It's not moving too much. So it means the paint is a good thickness. So let's apply some heat so we can get some cells, possibly. Okay, we're getting some cells. So now let's tilt a tiny bit. Let's tilt slowly. Because I want to keep some of my rings. Slowly that way. Slowly down. Okay, I'm losing my ring effect, but that's okay. I like the effect that I'm getting. Okay, so I do have some negative space on this side. Do I want it though? Or do I want it all covered in this? I actually like what's going on here. Let's try some more heat. That is pretty awesome. Shall I leave negative space or not? That is the question. I'm not liking the negative space. So let's mix up some more paint. Oh, my brown is pretty much all gone. Yeah, I'm getting a few drops in there. I don't need too much paint, and I've got plenty of gold, so I'm not gonna worry about it. I will put a tiny bit of that. I've got loads of orange in here. Ooh, okay. And gold. Okay, so maybe I should mix it a little. I don't know. I don't know. So just another ring here, maybe? Another, oh, this is all gold coming out. That's all gold coming out. It's all gold coming out. I put way too much gold. Oh, I did not put any blue in it. Oh, I should have put some blue. Okay, so added some blue. Now it's just blue coming out. Okay, so I did mess it up. Yes, thank you. I messed it up. So, what I shall do in that case is tilt that way. Tilt it away. Oh. Gosh. I want to tilt away the bottom part too. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, one more time with the heat. One more time. That is looking excellent. Okay, so it does not look like a ring pour. I tilted that away, but the result is pretty good. I like it. Let's get a closer look. We've got some of the blue or the Caribbean color. We've got some of the gold, some of the brown. I don't see much orange though. That's the only color I'm not seeing a lot of. Yeah, I'm not seeing much of the orange.